Division using arrays. We use division to get the quotient of two numbers. For example, the quotient of 27 divided by 3 is 9. When talking about having 27 divided into 3 equal groups, 9 is the number of objects in each of the 3 groups. We can also use arrays to carry out a division operation. Arrays are very useful for doing division when we are given numbers to divide, such as 24 divided by 3. We want to find the unknown quotient, symbolized with a question mark. An array can be an arrangement of counters. We describe an array by its number of rows and number of columns. For example, this is called a 5 by 4 array because it has 5 rows of 4 counters each. And this is a 9 by 12 array because it has 9 rows of 12 counters each. To represent the division sentence with an array, we must recognize that the total number of counters is the dividend. This means that 24 represents the total number of counters. The divisor, which is 3, represents the number of rows in the array. What we have to do is start arranging counters in columns. Each column must contain as many counters as the number in the divisor, 3. So we create the first column. This array now has 3 rows of 1 counter each. Now we add another column. So we have 3 rows of 2 counters each. Keep adding columns until we represent all 24 counters. Excellent! Now we have 3 rows of 8 counters each. So our quotient is 8. We write 8 instead of the question mark in the division sentence. So we have 24 divided by 3 equals 8. That was easy, right? Arrays are similar to groups. All we did was find out the number of counters in each row when we distribute them equally in the rows, which are like groups. In this lesson, you learned how to divide numbers using arrays.